Hello, everyone. Welcome to the end of week 15. We turned in our Essay 3 draft, we turned in our discussions. All that stuff is wrapped up now for week 15. I hope to get your Essay 3 assignment graded by probably like Tuesday of next week. Next week is our last week of the semester. Week 16 is finals week. We made it. We just have a final exam to complete for next week. It'll be a 2-hour timed writing assignment. You'll be able to use the book, The Color of Law, as part of that assignment. I also want to mention that next week, finals week, is also the last week to turn in any missing assignments. So if you've been planning on catching up on a missing assignment or two, this is the final week to do that. So the deadline, just like the final exam, is December 12th at 11:59 p.m. Anything turned in after that time, I cannot accept. All right, so I just want to mention that for everyone. And if you have any questions about the upcoming assignments or past assignments, I'll still be hosting my office hour on Tuesday like usual from 11 to noon. So you can pop in via Zoom for that. You can also shoot me an email if you want to do a Zoom session where we can talk in real time. But my normal Tuesday schedule doesn't work for you. You can also send me an email and we can make some arrangements for that too. All right, have a great weekend, everyone, and we'll see y'all online next week.